Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Myself Monica, and today we will be talking about the anatomy of the liver, okay, which is one of the very vital organ of our body. So this video will be in many parts because there is a lot to talk in anatomy of the liver. So we will be making it part by part and we will be discussing about it. So today is the turn of the first part where we will just give an introduction of the liver and some of the important points about the liver, okay. The first thing is, this is a diagram of liver, okay. This is a diagram of the liver. Maybe you are able to understand, maybe my picture is not so good. I will show you the image of the liver in this video, okay. So this is the liver. Now liver, it is first thing that you have to remember from liver, it is that it is the largest organ. It is one of the largest organ of the body. So it is the largest organ of the body. So this is what you should never forget from the liver. And the next thing that you should know is how much does it weigh? Okay, so it weighs 1600 gram in case of the male, whereas in case of the female it weighs 1300 gram in case of female. So this is the weight of the liver. It is the largest organ and it weighs 1600 gram in males and 1300 grams in female. Okay, this is the anatomy of the liver. This is the liver. Okay, now the next thing, okay, we have to know is the how it, okay, I will not be talking about how it is kept in the what is its position in an abdomen. Let us first look at the liver. So we have seen liver, we know about liver, okay. So it is reddish brown in color and it is a wedge shaped, okay. It is a wedge shaped thing. So wedge is like this kind of shape, like an object. So this is like a wedge shape, okay. So the first thing is, it is divided, it has five lobes, but anteriorly we can see two lobes. There are two major lobes, that is right lobe and the left lobe. So right lobe is almost the largest one, okay. It is almost the fifth, sixth of the liver, whereas left lobe is small. So this is the right lobe and this is the left lobe. And in the liver it has got the five borders, which is right border, inferior border, superior border, anterior, and the posterior one, which is backside. I haven't shown you the backside view. I'll draw the backside one and I'll try to make you understand the backside view also. So for now, that to understand is there are five main borders, which is the inferior border, which is quite sharp. So I have not shown it very sharp here. It is very sharp, and so it is like one structure in every organ which helps us to identify which border it is. There is one border which is very sharp and which is easily identifiable. So this is one of the prominent border which is very sharp, which is the inferior border. And then this is the right border, okay. This little bit part is the right border, and the upper one is the superior border, the anterior one, and the back side, that is the posterior border. Right lobe, left lobe. And this kind of thing you can see here, this is known as the ligamentum teres, which divides the liver into right lobe and the left lobe. This ligamentous teres is dividing the liver into right lobe and the left lobe. So once again, liver, which is the largest organ of our human body, which weighs about 1600 gram in male and 1300 gram in female. It is the largest organ. It has got the five borders. It is reddish brown in color. It has the right lobe and the left lobe, which is divided by the ligamentum teres, and it has got the five borders, that is the right border, inferior border, superior border, and the anterior border and the posterior border. So this is about the liver, and it shapes as the wedge shape, and its inferior border is the most prominent border of the liver. So inferior border, so you have to say here, this inferior border, okay, this I will just write it here. Inferior border is the most prominent, okay, prominent border and prominent thing in the liver that we can clearly see. So in the inferior border there is this small fundus like thing which is the cystic notch for, okay, this is the cystic notch which is for the fundus of the gallbladder. So cystic notch for the fundus of gallbladder. Okay, this is there is a cystic notch for the fundus of the gallbladder, and there is the next in that is there is the interlobar notch, the notch for the ligamentous teres. So there is an interlobar notch here, interlobar notch which is the notch for the ligamentum teres. So you can find two things in the pomiline inferior border, that is the cystic notch and the interlobular. So interlobular notch which is for ligamentum teres, and it is for the fountains of gallbladder. I'm so sorry, I'm just using one color of one color, same color board pen, because my other two, they got finished, so I could not buy them because of lockdown and they were not available in nearby market. So I am just making my video with this one black marker. So it might be a little bit confusing and a little bit dirty, so please try to understand it. So what we have talked till now is the liver, anatomy of the liver. So we will be making a different part of it. First of all, we will go to the introduction of it, where we have discussed that liver is the largest organ, reddish brown in color, which weighs 1600 gram in male and 1300 gram in female, and it is divided into two lobes, right lobe and the left lobe, by the help of the ligamentum teres, by the help of this ligamentum teres. So the liver, it has got 5 borders, that is the right, superior, inferior, and the anterior and back one, which is the posterior border. So in the inferior border, which is the most prominent border of the liver, there are two types of notch, that is cystic notch and the interlobular notch. In the cystic notch, there is the fundus of the gallbladder, whereas in the interlobular notch, there is the ligamentum teres. Okay, so this is about the lobes of the liver, and this is just a general introduction of the liver. It is a wedge-shaped organ. Okay, it is a wedge-shaped organ. It is a wedge-shaped organ. So this is about the introduction of the liver. It is a wedge-shaped organ. Now we will go to the posterior surface, as well as we will go to the details of the lobes of the liver in the next video. Okay, in the part 2.